probably going to be one of our more ambitious projects. And that's saying something. The wife's 2008 Jeep JK. I don't even remember when we bought this thing. We've had this thing forever. But it's in the shop now because the 3.8 has decided after 250,000 miles it's had enough. And I've done a few shorts on it, but I've never actually made a full video on this thing yet. If you haven't seen the shorts or featuring this vehicle, this here's the plan. 3.8 is garbage. It's sitting over there on the cart. It's not going back in. We have a 4-cylinder Cummins that we're going to put in there with a Chrysler automatic transmission and the Jeep transfer case. B-series 4-cylinder Cummins are just ridiculous in price right now. And I found one off of a friend who told me right up front, it's a core engine he doesn't know anything about. He sold it to me for a price that was more than fair. So what we're going to have to do is go through that engine, see what it needs. Well, naturally, we're going to put rings, bearings, all that good stuff in it. The injection pump's missing. We got to source one of those. Get all that stuff, get to where we have a running 4BT. Then we're going to have to make mounts to put that engine in the Jeep. You know, cross member, drive shafts, blah, blah, blah. Get all the mechanicals done, which will be really not that difficult. Then we're going to have to figure out how to make all the JK electronics work with a mechanical engine. I haven't decided yet if we're going to try to make all the factory or if I'm just going to make my own dash with mechanical gauges and whatnot. Anyway, it's going to be a pile of work. It's going to take a while and it's going to be expensive. The wife and I have totally decided we're not financing this deal. Yes, I've done it in the past. I've learned from my mistakes. We're not doing that. So right now, this project's being funded totally by second jobs and overtime. That's just the way you got to do it. So we'll squirrel some money back. We'll buy some parts a little bit at a time and keep it moving. So I'll shoot the videos as we do it, but like I say, it's going to seem like it's going to take forever because it's going to take forever. However, if you would be so inclined to purchase you a fashionable RICO'S Garage t-shirt, hoodie, tank top, sticker, whatever, from our Teespring store, link below, that would certainly accelerate this project. See what I did there? I know I said it before, and I'll say it once again because it means that much to me. Thank you for the support you've done, your subscriptions, comments, good or bad. Either way, I can take it. Liking the videos, sharing the videos, that all is very much appreciated. I cannot express enough how much I appreciate that. Guys, I just want to leave you with this. I get it. Everything's expensive. Nobody has the time. It's just the way it works. We're all working just to survive. But don't give up on the dream. Don't let your project die. Just get out there and do something. Even if you just go out there and take all the crap off of it that you've been stacking on it for the last year. Just do something to keep the passion alive. Your obsessions become your possessions. Get back into the love you had for that vehicle. Keep it moving forward. Because sitting on your ass, dreaming about it, or I'll get around to it one of these days, it ain't going to happen. Do whatever you got to do. Take a vacation day. Tell the wife you don't want to go shopping. Skip the bar for one night. Just do something. Get out there and work on it. I'm Rico. I'll catch you later.